Find dy by dx if y is equal to 12 1 minus cos t comma x is equal to 10 into bracket t minus sin t. Okay, let y equal to 12 1 minus cos t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Dy by dt equal to 12 constant. Derivative of 1 becomes 0 minus derivative of cos t becomes what? Minus sin t, minus minus plus sin t. So that is equal to dy by dt equal to 12 sin t. Say equation number 1. Okay, next x is equal to 10 into t minus sin t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Dx by dt equal to 10 constant. Derivative of t becomes 1. Sin t derivative becomes cos t. Okay, say equation number 2. Equation number 1 divided by equation number 2. So that is equal to dy by dt and divided by dx by dt equal to dy by dt is what? 12 sin t divided by 10 1 minus cos t. Okay, now sin t becomes sin t equal to, can I write this one is 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. Okay, so cos t is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square t by 2. Okay, take this side, that becomes 2 sin square t by 2 equal to 1 minus cos t. Okay, dt cancel, dy by dx is equal to 12 sin t, can I write 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2 divided by, okay, 10 into 2 sin square t by 2. Here 2 1s are 2 5s are, right, 2 1s are 2 6s are. So next what? Here 1 sin t by 2 1 ct by cancel. So dy by dx is equal to what is the remaining term? 6 cos t by 2 divided by 5 sin t by 2. That is equal to dy by dx is equal to 6 by 5 cos by sin becomes what? Cot t by 2. Find dy by dx if y equal to sin inverse x plus sin inverse root of 1 minus x square. Okay, let y is equal to sin inverse x plus sin inverse root 1 minus x square. Okay, here put x is equal to sin theta, then that becomes y equal to sin inverse sin theta plus sin inverse root of 1 minus sin square theta. So that is equal to y equal to sin inverse sin theta becomes what? Theta plus sin inverse root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus sin square becomes what? Cos square. That is equal to enagate cos square theta, root cos square theta becomes cos theta. That next y equal to theta plus sin inverse. Okay, sin inverse is in break, but in terms of sin the brother sin pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, sin inverse sin cancel, then y equal to theta plus pi by 2 minus theta. Minus theta plus theta cancel, y equal to pi by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to pi by 2 is a constant. The derivative of constant becomes 0. Question number 14. If x into root 1 plus y into root 1 plus x is equal to 0, for x is less than 1 greater than minus 1, prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, right, take the term x into root 1 plus y into root 1 plus x equal to 0. Okay, we'll take this term that side, that becomes what? X into root 1 plus y equal to minus y into root 1 plus x. Okay, squaring on both sides, so that becomes x square into bracket root cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus y equal to, okay, minus becomes plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ y square, okay, root cancel ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ 1 plus x. Okay, next multiple ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x square plus x square into y equal to y square plus y square into x. Okay, take this term this side, that becomes x square minus y square. I will write after that x square y minus y square x equal to 0. Okay, here x minus y, a square minus b square formula, x minus y into x plus y. Okay, plus here take common factor xy, so what is the remainder? X minus y equal to 0. Okay, whole term take xy is x minus y is common factor, so what is the remainder term? X plus y plus xy equal to 0. Okay, then product is 0 means each term is equal to 0, x minus y equal to 0. Okay, so next to x plus y plus xy equal to 0. Okay, it is not possible, right? So next, here y plus xy equal to, take x that side, that becomes what? Minus x. Okay, take y is common factor here, so what is the remainder? 1 plus x equal to minus x. Then y equal to minus x divided by 1 plus x. Okay, so ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ u by v formula, that is equal to, what is u by v formula? V into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. Okay, now apply that formula, that becomes differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x as it is. Okay, take minus outside. Okay, derivative of what? X minus x as it is, derivative of 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x whole square. Okay, next that becomes dy by dx is equal to minus outside, then 1 plus x as it is, derivative of x becomes what? 1 minus x as it is, derivative of 1 is a derivative of constant is 0, derivative of x becomes 1. Okay, that is totally 1. Okay, and divided by 1 plus x whole square. Next, dy by dx is equal to minus, here 1 plus x, this becomes what? Minus x, bracket close, divided by 1 plus x whole square. Here plus x minus x cancel, so then dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Question number 15. If x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square for some c is greater than 0, prove that 1 plus dy by dx whole square raised to 3 by 2 and divided by d2y by dx square is constant independent of a and b. Okay, na? Right. So given x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x square becomes what? 2 x minus c. Okay, right. So again derivative of x minus a becomes 1 agutte. Right. So next 2 y minus b. So again derivative of y minus b becomes what? dy by dx is equal to constant derivative 0. Okay, right. So next that is equal to, here dy by dx is equal to, take that side, minus 2x minus a divided by what? Okay, 2y minus b. 2 get cancelled, that is equal to minus x minus a divided by y minus b. Okay, right, dy by dx. Next dy by dx, okay, then cross multiple ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y minus b, okay, plus x minus a equal to 0. Now again differentiate with respect to x on both sides, so that is equal to, now y minus b as it is, and derivative of this function becomes what? d2y by dx square. Okay, plus dy by dx as it is, and derivative of this becomes what? dy by dx minus 0. Okay, na? Y derivative dy by dx, constant derivative 0, plus derivative of x minus a becomes what? 1, equal to 0. Okay, next y minus b into d2y by dx square plus dy by dx into dy by dx becomes what? dy by dx whole square plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, next y minus b into d2y by dx square. Okay, the whole, these two terms take that side, that becomes minus, can I write 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Okay, right, bracket close. Next d2y by dx square equal to minus 1 plus dy by dx whole square, okay, divided by, so y minus b. Okay, next, so I will take only 1 plus dy by dx whole square, so that is equal to 1 plus, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to minus x minus a divided by y minus b. Okay, na? So whole square, so that is equal to 1 plus, this becomes plus x minus a whole square divided by y minus b whole square, so that is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square equal to, okay, take this side, that becomes what? Y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square divided by what? Y minus b whole square. Okay, so this one, y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square becomes what? X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square becomes c square. Can I replace that value? Becomes c square. C square is equal to what? Y minus b whole square. Okay, right. See, d2y by dx square equal to minus, okay, 1 plus dy by dx whole square, okay, divided by y minus b whole square. Okay, now replace this value, that value becomes what? d2 y by dx square is equal to minus c, that is equal to what? C square divided by, okay, c square divided by, this is only y minus 1, c square divided by what? Y minus b whole square, and divided by what? Y minus b. So that is equal to minus c square divided by what? Okay, ಇದು multiple ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that becomes what? Y minus b raised to cube. Okay, now take the term, so this is 1 plus dy by dx whole square raised to 3 by 2 divided by what? d2y by dx square. Now substitute the value, so 1 plus dy by dx whole square becomes what? C square divided by what? Y minus b whole square raised to 3 by 2. Okay, and again divided by what is d2y by dx square? d2y by dx square becomes what? Minus c square divided by y minus b raised to cube. Okay, just simplify that one, that becomes, so ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತದೆ? ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಉಳಿತದೆ, ಸಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ವಾಟ್? y minus b ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? y minus b raised to cube divided by what? Minus c square. Here y minus b raised to cube, y minus b raised to cube cancel. Okay, so ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? minus c cube by c ಉಳಿತು, c square, that is equal to c square cancel, that is equal to what? Minus c. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Question number 16. If cos y is equal to x into cos a plus y with cos a is not equal to plus or minus 1, and prove that dy by dx is equal to cos square a plus y divided by sin a. Okay, so given function ಏನಿದೆ, let cos y equal to x into cos a plus y. Okay, so can I write this one? X is equal to cos y divided by what? Cos a plus y. Now differentiate with respect to y. That becomes, okay, dx by dy equal to, okay, u by v formula, cos a plus y as it is, okay, plus differentiate of d by dx of cos y minus cos y as it is, d by dx of what, cos a plus y. So divided by what, okay, cos a plus y whole square, okay, u by v formula. Then dx by dy equal to cos a plus y into derivative of cos becomes what, minus sin y, okay, with respect to y is there, with respect to y, okay. Next minus cos y and derivative of cos becomes sin, okay, sin a plus y, okay, minus sin a plus y, right? You know derivative of a is 0, derivative of y becomes 1 with respect to y, okay, divided by what, cos a plus y, okay, cos a plus y whole square, that means cos square a plus y. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು y ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು y ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ವೈ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ ವೈ divided by what, cos square a plus y. Okay. So next dx by dy equal to, first you write this term sin a plus y into cos y minus cos a plus y into sin y divided by what, cos square a plus y. So then dx by dy equal to, here sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, that means sin a minus b formula, sin a plus y, b value becomes y, okay, sin a plus y minus y divided by what, cos square a plus y. Then here plus y minus y cancel, that is equal to what, sin a divided by cos square a plus y, okay. So dx by dy equal to sin a divided by what, cos square a plus y. Reciprocal this one, that becomes what, dy by dx is equal to, okay, reciprocal ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cos square a plus y divided by what, sin a, okay. It's completed. Question number 17. If x is equal to a cos t plus t sin t and y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t, find d2y by dx square. So the given function, let x is equal to what, a cos t plus t sin t. Now differentiate with respect to t, dx by dt equal to a constant, take outside, derivative of cos t becomes what, minus sin t, okay, plus u into v formula, t as it is, derivative of sin becomes what, cos t, plus, okay, sin t as it is, derivative of t becomes 1, okay, bracket close. Here plus sin t minus sin t ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಏನು ಉಳಿತು, dx by dt equal to a t cos t. Say equation number 1. Then y equal to, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ, sin t minus t cos t, okay. Now again differentiate with respect to t, dy by dt equal to a constant, derivative of sin becomes cos, okay, minus, right. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ, that derivative of t becomes t as it is, derivative of cos becomes what, minus sin t, right. Then plus cos t as it is, derivative of t becomes 1, bracket close, okay. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that becomes dy by dt equal to a into bracket cos t, here e minus minus becomes plus, t into sin t, plus into minus becomes minus, minus cos t, okay, minus cos t plus cos t, these two are cancelled. Then dy by dt equal to a into t sin t, okay. Say equation number 2. Now equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So that becomes, so what is equation number 2? Equation number 2 becomes what? Dy by dx can I write directly? Okay, so at into sin t divided by at into cos t. Here at get cancelled, that becomes what? Tan t. Okay, then dy by dx is equal to what? Tan t. Again now differentiate with respect to t. With respect to x, that becomes what? d2y by dx square equal to derivative of tan becomes what? Secant square t. Tan x ಅಂತ with respect to x ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, tan x ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, tan x ಇಲ್ಲ t ಅದು again differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು dt by dx. Then d2y by dx square is equal to secant square t. So what is dt by dx? So dt by dx becomes what? Can I write 1 by this becomes dx by dt, that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to secant square t into 1 by dx by dt. So already found out ಮಾಡಿದೆ, what is dx by dt? at sin t. Okay, so that is equal to, then d2y by dx square is equal to secant square t divided by what? A into t sin t. Okay, okay, see dx by dt becomes, sorry, a into t cos t. Okay, this is cos t and cos t. Okay, so that becomes d2y by dx square is equal to, take this side, this one is upside, secant square t into 1 by cos becomes what? Sec t divided by at. Then d2y by dx square is equal to sec cube t divided by at. Okay, right. Okay, question number 18. If f of x is equal to modulus of x cube, show that f dash of x is exist for all the real number x and find it ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0. Okay, now f dash of x becomes what? So then derivative ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x cube derivative becomes what? 3x square, x is greater than 0. It should be minus 3x square, x is less than 0. Okay, right. F dash of 0 means 0 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ left hand derivative. So already left hand derivative 0 minus 0 subtract ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 into 0 square becomes 0. Okay, next right hand derivative means f dash of 0 plus becomes this one, minus 3 into 0 square is also 0. And the left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, okay, right, ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ again differentiate with respect to x, f double dash of x is equal to, it becomes 6x. Okay, this is also minus 6x, x greater than 0, x less than 0. So what is left hand derivative? So already ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, f double dash of 0 minus, f double dash of 0 minus means this value 6 into, okay, sorry, this value 0 minus less than 0. Okay, here also 0 minus means this function minus, this is plus. Okay, minus 6 into 0 is also 0. Right hand derivative equal to f double dash of 0 plus means what? Greater than 0, and 6 into 0 becomes what? 0. Okay, left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative, and then it should be differentiable all the real numbers. Okay na? So ನಾವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 19. sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b differentiate with respect to x, obtain the formula for cosine formula na ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು, differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now differentiate, okay, the given the function is what? Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now differentiate with respect to x, sin a becomes cos a plus b, okay. So sin with respect to x, sin x ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, x plus another a plus b ಅದು. Again differentiate with respect to that, becomes dA by dx plus dB by dx, okay, bracket close, is equal to u into v formula. So sin a as it is, that of cos becomes what? Minus sin b, okay, cos becomes minus sin b. Again differentiate dB by dx plus cos b as it is, sin a derivative becomes what? Cos a, and again derivative dA by dx plus, again using u into v formula, this becomes cos a, that of sin b becomes cos b, and again derivative dB by dx, okay, plus here sin b as it is, derivative of cos becomes what? Minus sin a and dA by dx, right. So here we'll take the common factor, okay, that becomes, see, cos a plus b into dA by dx plus dB by dx into bracket, okay, here this term and this term, okay, see, minus sin a sin b common factor, so what is the remaining? dB by dx plus this one dA by dx, okay, plus here I'll take the common factor cos a cos b, that is equal to ಏನು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ dA by dx plus dB by dx, okay, these two terms, right. So next totally I will take dA by dx is common factor, cos a plus b into dA by dx plus dB by dx equal to, I will take the common factor dA by dx plus dB by dx. So what is the remaining term? Into, first I will write this one, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So then here dA by dB, dA will cancel, cos a plus b equal to, what is the formula? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, okay, okay. Now question number 20, does there exist a function which is continuous where everywhere but not differentiable at exactly 2 points, okay, give an example ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಕರ್ವ್ ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈ ಥರ, ರೈಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ವಿ ಸೇಪ್ ಬಂತು, ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಸೇಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು, ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ಈ ಥರ ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಬಂತು, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ, ರೈಟ್, ಇದು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬರೀ ಈ ಥರ ಬಂತ ಗ್ರಾಫು ಬರೀ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 0, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 1, ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ -1. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 0, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0. 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, 0 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಇದು 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0, okay, minus x, x is less than or equal to 1 greater than 0, okay, greater than or equal to 0. It should be a 1 x greater than 0 ದಾಗ, okay, right. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ರೈಟ್, 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1. 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೇನೆ 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ. ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಎಟ್ x is equal to 0 and at x is equal to 1, ಬಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ರೈಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಟ್ x is equal to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಎಟ್ x is equal to 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್. ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 21, ಇಫ್ y is equal to f of x, determinant of f of x, g of x, h of x, l, m, n, a, b, c. Prove that dy by dx is equal to f dash of x, g dash of x, h dash of x, l, m, n, a, b, c, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, f of x ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟು, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, m ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ m n b c, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ g of x and determinant of what, ಈ ರೋ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, l n a c, ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ h of x and determinant of what, ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರೋ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, l m a b. Now differentiate with respect to x, that becomes what, dy by dx equal to, this is a constant, okay, constant take outside, m n b c determinant into derivative of f of x becomes f dash of x minus the constant take outside, l m a c, then g dash of x plus, okay, this one is a constant take outside, l m a b, then that is equal to h dash of x, okay, right. So then determinant expand ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, dy by dx is equal to, that is equal to what, same, okay, again f dash of x, g dash of x, okay, h dash of x, right. ಏನು l m n a b c, okay. So easy ಐತಿ. Okay, question number 22, so last one. So important ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇದನ್ನು, y equal to e power a cos inverse x, ಓಕೆ. ರೇರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೊ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರೋದೆ, ಕೇಳುವಂಥ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ x, that becomes dy by dx is equal to e power x derivative is e power x. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್, e power x ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, e power x ಇಲ್ಲ, x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ a cos inverse x, ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಚೇಂಜ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. dy by dx is equal to e power a cos inverse x, e constant take outside, derivative of cos inverse x becomes what, -1 by root 1 minus x square, okay, right. So that is equal to, okay, this term take this side, root 1 plus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus a e power a into cos inverse x, right. So next again, so that is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, again differentiate with respect to x, that becomes, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, root 1 minus y square x square as it is, and this derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, d2y by dx square plus dy by dx as it is, and derivative of what, root 1 minus x square, okay. Next is equal to minus e constant take outside, derivative of d by dx of what, e power a cos inverse x, right. So next that is equal to root 1 minus x square d2y by dx square, okay, plus dy by dx, what is derivative of root x, 1 by 2 root x, okay, into root x ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, x ಇಲ್ಲ, x plus 1 minus x square, again derivative of 1 minus x square becomes what, minus 2x, okay. 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus x square derivative becomes 2x, then minus a derivative of e power x is e power a cos inverse x. Okay, again derivative of, okay, a cos inverse x. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a cos inverse x derivative, a constant take outside, and derivative of cos inverse x becomes what? 1 by minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, right. So next here e2 cancel ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ root 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, plus into minus becomes minus. Okay, so x by root 1 minus x square dy by dx equal to minus a into 1 plus a into a becomes what? A square. Okay, e power a cos inverse x divided by root 1 minus x square. Okay, take the LCM becomes what? Root 1 minus x square. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiple ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ root cancel, that becomes what? 1 minus x square d2y by dx square. Okay, minus x dy by dx equal to a square. So e power a cos inverse x becomes what? Y, or replaced by y by what? Root 1 minus x square. Here root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus x square cancel. So what is the remaining term? 1 minus x square. See, 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx equal to a square y. Take this term on this side, that becomes 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx minus a square y equal to 0.